Morning, my dear students. This is second video on international trade. In our previous video, we have studied a brief importance of trade, meaning of trade, and we have tried to know why trade exists. Trade exists because an individual cannot produce all those goods and services that he needs. Therefore, he is forced to depend upon others, and that leads to existence of trade. In this particular statement, the meaning of division of labor is hidden. In other words, division of labor is fundamental cause for the existence of trade. The technical meaning of division of labor is a particular work is performed by a particular labor, and that leads to completion of a particular task. Division of labor indirectly speaks about specialization of labor in workplace. Division of labor can be easily witnessed in large scale industries. Division of labor can be easily seen in large scale industries. In large scale industries, there are compartments, there are different departments. Each compartment is meant, each block is meant, each department is meant to perform a particular work. Like this, we can witness division of labor very easily in large scale industries. Thus, division of labor is one of the main causes for the existence of labor. If we look at car manufacturing unit, if I take example of Maruti Car Udyog, there we find in a particular compartment steerings are manufactured by a group of labor. In another compartment, we find only tube and tires are manufactured by another group of laborers. Like this, there are different compartments of manufacturing different spare parts of the car. And that is the example of division of labor or specialization, which is main cause for the existence of trade. Even there is another reason for trade, and that we call it as geographical specialization. Division of labor is specialization at individual's level. Division of labor is also specialization, is also example of specialization, but at individual levels or at personal level. This geographical specialization is at geographical regions. You know that I would like to give examples of geographical specializations. Different regions, different states, different countries, different areas are specialized or known for particular product. This kind of geographical specialization is also reason for the existence of trade. For example, Assam is known for production of tea. Like that, Kashmir is known for apples and Karnataka is known for silk. These are the examples of geographical specializations. And geographical specialization is also fundamental reason for the existence of trade. So in this particular video, I am trying to explain the meaning of division of labor and geographical specialization which are indirectly or directly trying to explain cause for the existence of trade. In my next video, I'll be explaining the importance